Susan just turned 65 and thought Medicare would be simple until she discovered that major insurers are scaling back their Medicare Advantage plans for 2026, impacting potentially over 1 million members. The brochures flooding her mailbox aren't just confusing. Some are advertising plans that might be drastically changed or canceled next year. If you're facing Medicare decisions right now, this video will show you how to avoid a decision that could cost your retirement portfolio thousands or more. Here's what most Medicare videos won't tell you. This isn't just about healthcare coverage, it's about protecting your retirement wealth. The wrong Medicare choice can cost you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime through rising premiums, unexpected out-of-pocket costs, and limited access to critical care. This choice is about financial survival and retirement. Also, this video is for educational, financial planning purposes only. I'm not a licensed Medicare insurance agent and do not sell or recommend specific plans. So always consult a licensed Medicare agent or your state health insurance assistance program before making enrollment decisions. Hi, I'm Ben Lockery, a certified financial planner with over a decade in the industry. I worked at Capital Group and Invesco, two of the largest investment firms in the world, and I saw too many retirees make decisions based on marketing brochures instead of financial strategy. And that's why I approach Medicare in particular differently, not as an insurance product, but as a critical piece of your retirement income plan. So let's break down the financial reality, especially with the 2026 changes. Original Medicare gives you the broadest freedom, but you need a plan to cover your 20% coinsurance. When paired with a Medigap supplement, your healthcare costs become highly predictable. Medicare Advantage looks cheaper up front with those premiums, but here's the hidden cost. When serious illness hits, your federal maximum out-of-pocket for in-network services in 2025 is per year. Over a decade of retirement, that's potentially over and risk exposure. And with major carriers cutting plans for 2026, many people will be forced to change plans. If you're locked into Advantage and later need to switch back to original Medicare with a Medigap supplement, you might face medical underwriting that could deny you coverage or charge you exorbitant premiums. To give you an example, let's go with a guy named Jim. Jim chose Medicare Advantage because the $0 premium looked attractive. 3 years later, he was diagnosed with a rare heart condition. His preferred cardiologist wasn't in network. So Jim ended up paying $12,000 in out-of-network costs to see the doctor he needed immediately, hitting his plan's maximum out-of-pocket. When he tried to switch the next year, his heart condition meant Medigap insurers wanted to charge him $400 per month if they'd cover him at all. That seemingly free Advantage plan cost Jim over $30,000 in just 2 years because he neglected to plan for the worst case health scenario. Here are 4 questions to ask yourself from a wealth protection standpoint. What's your financial risk tolerance? If a per year medical bill would strain your retirement spending plan, the higher but predictable premiums of original Medicare Plus Medigap might be the safer strategy. Do you rely on specific expensive specialists? Original Medicare guarantees access to any doctor accepting Medicare. Advantage plans require you to verify network status annually, often risking access to specific care. Are you planning to travel or spend time in multiple states? Original Medicare works everywhere. Many Advantage plans are local, restricting your out-of-area coverage to emergencies. What's your long-term health outlook? If you are healthy now, but have a family history of serious conditions, locking in a Medigap policy by enrolling when you first turn 65 might be the most crucial wealth protection move you can make. With the 2026 Medicare reset approaching, you can't afford to guess on this decision. If you want a CFP to help you model healthcare expenses, including premiums and out-of-pocket risks, into your overall retirement income plan for the next 10 years, click the link below and we'll show you exactly how each option impacts your wealth so you can make this choice with confidence, not confusion.